your first virtual party.
Hope you have a great day.
Janamdin ki hardik shubkamnai. Happy birthday, Nana. I hope you have a wonderful day. What I love about you is that you're kind and generous and put others before you. I wish for the rest of your life to be joyful and blissful.
Happy birthday! I hope you have a great day and enjoy this virtual party. What I remember is that how you taught me to ride my bike with so much patience and love. I will never forget the amazing cruise you took me on and how it was so fun.
Pranam Chacha ji. Many happy returns of the day on 80th birthday. Our great grandmother Ganga Devi ji aptly named you Prem Sagar, which means a person of infinite love and affection. You have been source of love and affection to all of us, all the kith and kins. And I, as a child, especially remember bunch of crackers which you gave me when I was less than 10 years of age in Jalandhar. That memory is still fresh in my mind. And the second thing is when I chauffeured you to wedding venue in Princess car and brought our Chachi back home in South Extension. You are more than a Chacha to me, you are like a friend, and you shared a lot of good things with me which are to date guiding things in life.
Pranam Chacha ji, a very happy milestone 80th birthday. Just trying to think of a few words that describe you, and a few come to mind. A very simple, accepting of all, somebody with no malice, a family man, somebody who hasn't forgotten his roots, somebody who's very spiritual, a very happy, peaceful, radiating face. You are an epitome of what I'd like to call an ideal man. A great husband, a good father, a good uncle, all rolled into one. I really pray to God to bestow great health and happiness in your life going forward. Stay blessed, take care, and all the best. Pranam.
भगवान तुम्हें हर खुशी नसीब करे. प्रणाम.
Pranam Chacha ji, wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you lots of happiness, good health and good life. We all love you. Pranam Chacha ji.
मामा जी, सबसे पहले आपको सादर प्रणाम और प्यार भरी घुट के जपी. फिर आपके 80वीं जन्मदिन के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. राज जी से हम सबकी प्रार्थना रहेगी कि आपका स्वास्थ्य, आपकी खुशी बरकरार रहे और आपसे बार बार मिलने का मौका हमें मिलता रहे.
Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday, Mama ji. So what we all want to say is that we really love and respect you a lot, and it's a blessing to have you in our lives, and we look forward to many more years together with you, with your good sound advice and loving presence. Have a wonderful day, and when you come back, we'll have a big celebration of your 0 birthday over here. So God bless, and as Rajni said, a big tight chappi from all of us for you.
Naam Mama ji, thank you for being a person who we've always looked up to, and thank you for your cool and collected advice as always. Missing you here, looking forward to being throwing a big party, and maybe this time we'll also dance.
And have a performance from Ritvik in your honor.
Okay, yes, that's a good idea.
I'll start preparing something.
Yeah.
Pranam Mama ji.
Have a blessed day. Pranam Mama ji.
Pranam Chacha ji. Wishing you a very happy 80th birthday,
and we wish we all were there to be with you on your special day, and lots of love and regards. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sagar Raji. Happy birthday to you. We love you, we love you, we love you. Wow, happy 8 years. Make Sir Raji continue to shower his blessings on you and all the family. Sending you lots and lots of love from Delhi.
Also, good day.
And we look forward to meeting soon. Enjoy your day.
No, we hope we meet soon.
Yes, hope we meet soon.
Friend Arjun Sindwani, I wish to convey my heartiest congratulations and best wishes on the occasion of your 80th birthday. I have been associated with you for the last almost 55 years since the start of our professional career at Aisha Tractor Faridabad. You have been a great friend and you have all the qualities for that. I particularly admire your calm nature, patience, your interest in yoga and keeping fit, and your devotion to social work. It's great to know that with the blessing of Sadhguru, you have now chosen the path of spiritual life and you are devoting yourself in the service of society. I look forward to your continued friendship and guidance and wish you a very happy, healthy and blissful life in the years to come. Wishing you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Arjun.
हाय सागर, आज आपका हैप्पी बर्थडे माइलस्टोन बर्थडे मनाया जा रहा है, उसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक। हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसे माइलस्टोन बर्थडे आपके फ्यूचर में आए और आप खुश रहें। इस बार तो आपका वर्चुअल बर्थडे मनाया जा रहा है, लेकिन अगले साल ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हम सब लोग मिलकर आपको अच्छा सा जन्मदिन मनाएं और आज की जो कमी है उसको भी पूरा करें। एक चीज़ और कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं आपके लिए आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ, आपका आभारी हूँ कि आपने अपने दिल में मेरे लिए एक स्पेशल दोस्त की जगह बनाई हुई है। बाय, थैंक यू।
Hi Saga, hope you're having a wonderful 80th birthday. Missing you here in Bristol, and I always remember the fantastic holiday we had down in Dittersham together, and I look forward to seeing you when you get back. Lots of love, Neil.
Hello Saga, lovely to see you. Hope you can see all of us. We're all wishing you very much, wishing you were home for a great big family party, but have to wait for a month or so, that will, won't it, till you get back. Anyway, I'm sure you'll be having a good time there, and I'm sure you've been enjoying yourself out there for the last 6 months. Wow, what a long time. I can't believe you've been away so long. Anyway, all the best to you. Love, Maureen.
Hello, Mehta Saab. Happy birthday. We're going to miss you here. And lucky enough, your birthday falls on this time, the most important date in the history, when Ram Temple is, Bhumi Pujan is on that day. So we hope you have a best of day. Enjoy yourself, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Naam Chachaji, wishing you a very happy birthday. In fact, when Sumita reached out to request messages for your birthday, the first thought that crossed my mind, and I'm sure many of us, was, wait a minute, Chachaji is turning 80 already. With your boyish looks and not so grey hair, I think you could easily pass off somebody as not a day older than 60. So I think that's a blessing, and we are all proud of that. As I was going down the memory lane, I remember one of my earliest memories is of you all visiting us in Arkipuram, and I got a jigsaw puzzle from you and Chachi-ji, and I remember more than the excitement of the jigsaw puzzle itself, it was about getting a gift from Chachi-ji and you. Another memory I can think of is when I think you had some errands to run in Connaught Place and you took me along. And it was just the three of us in a taxi, of course, with the driver. And, we were on Ring Road, and Chachi ji was holding me in her lap. And, you were making conversations with me. So, still there, very fresh in my mind. As I got older and I cleared my JEE, Joint Entrance Exam, for admission to engineering college, I was really torn between accepting an admission in IIT Delhi or IIT Kanpur for an engineering discipline I really didn't care about, or trading it with something like electronics and communication and perhaps computers, but at lower ranked Banaras Hindu University. And I reached out to several people. You were one of them, and you advised me that it's more important what I do than where I do it from, because that will stay with me for the rest of my life. So that was great advice. I took it to heart, and I did end up going to Banaras Hindu University. I think another thing I've always felt with you is more of a kindred spirit, in ways more than one. You have two older brothers. You chose engineering. You were the only one who chose engineering in your family. You were the only one who stepped out of the country and settled in a different country. Things that I draw parallels with my own self. And at some level, almost like, renegades culturally and intellectually, right? Choosing engineering and choosing a different country. I remember you taking us around when Preeti and I were just recently married and we were going to the US, and you all came down. So nice of you all to come and meet us at London Heathrow, and take us around as a family. When I think of you, Chacha ji, I think of a warm, caring, smiling, a friend, more than a uncle or a Chacha ji, somebody I can relate to. I remember our long conversations on lazy Sunday afternoons. When you had finished reading an article, we used to write letters to each other when it was still in fashion, but then we've kept up over the phone. But I think at the end of the day, I have nothing but good memories, and I've never felt, you as an uncle. I've always looked up to you as a friend. So thank you for that. I wish you nothing but good health, happiness, and prosperity for our entire family, and wishing you many, many more birthdays to come. So looking forward. Take care of yourself, and Pranam.
This one for you, Sagar uncle. When he walks, he has a poise. When he talks, he's articulate. And whenever you are with him, you know you have got a mate.
When he gives you time, you know he's not going to be late. There is no attribute in him you would ever hate.
With a sharp sense of humor, he impresses you with his wit. You can't help but wonder how at 80 he is so fit.
Whenever you need advice from him, he is always there to guide. For any kind of help, he will be there by your side.
He is such a good listener, so gentle and kind. Even if you make a mistake, he is not going to mind.
He does yoga daily and practices pranayam. His words are so soothing. They act like a balm.
He has it all, yet doesn't have attitude. In fact, if we do anything for him, he expresses gratitude.
Can you imagine with him someone can clash? Yes, it does happen when we all together play Flash.
Can you imagine what he doesn't share with us when we all are near? It's on the occasions when he has cold drink and we whiskey and beer.
Most of the songs he sings very well are devotional. Sometimes they tend to make make us very emotional.
You know, we have to have something at home when he meets. Guess what? We make sure to have lots of sweets.
Alas, we can't be sure of his company anymore because rather than Faridabad, he prefers Coimbatore.
Very thoughtful of his parents to give this name. Prem Sagar is actually Sagar of Prem.
Happy birthday, Sagar uncle!
जन्मदिन की लख लख बधाइयाँ।
प्रणाम अंकल। अंकल, मैंने आपके बर्थडे के लिए बहुत प्रिपरेशन की। पहले मैंने सोचा कि आपके लिए एक पोएम लिखती हूँ, फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं इंग्लिश में लिखूँ कि हिंदी में लिखूँ, फिर मैंने पंजाबी में लिखना शुरू किया, पर मुझे ध्यान आया मैनू तो पंजाबी आंदी नहीं। फिर उसके बाद मैंने ये सोचा कि आपके लिए गाना गाती हूँ। फिर मैंने सोचा इंग्लिश में गाऊँ कि हिंदी में गाऊँ, इंग्लिश में गाऊँ कि हिंदी में गाऊँ। तो मैं सोचा चलो पंजाबी में गाती हूँ, पर फिर मैनू याद आया मैंने तो गाना कदे सीखिया नहीं। फिर उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपके लिए कार्ड बनाती हूँ। अब मैंने सोचा आपके लिए कार्ड इंग्लिश में बनाऊँ कि हिंदी में बनाऊँ, इंग्लिश में बनाऊँ कि हिंदी में बनाऊँ। तो मैंने सोचा चलो पंजाबी में बनाती हूँ। फिर मेरे को ध्यान आया पंजाबी तो मैं कदे सीखिया नहीं। अब मैंने सोचा मैं क्या करूँ। हाँ, तो भी प्रलय ने बोला बांग्ला में लिखो। तो हम लोगों ने दोनों ने, प्रलय और मैंने दोनों ने मिलकर बांग्ला में आपके लिए पोएम लिखी, बांग्ला में आपके लिए गाना गाया, बांग्ला में आपके लिए कार्ड बनाया। पर फिर हम दोनों को ध्यान आया बांग्ला तो तुहानू आंदी नहीं, तुम्ही बांग्ला जानी ना, तुम्ही बांग्ला बूझी ना, यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बांग्ला। तो इसीलिए हमने वो आइडिया भी ड्रॉप कर दिया। तो हमने सोचा कि हम दोनों मिलकर आपको फ्रॉम आवर बॉटम ऑफ द हार्ट विश करेंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे। सो हैप्पी बर्थडे विशेस फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ द हार्ट इज नॉट बाउंड टू एनी लैंग्वेज। सो इसलिए इंग्लिश नहीं, हिंदी नहीं, पंजाबी नहीं, बांग्ला नहीं, दिल से दिल की आवाज़। हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल, आपको वेरी लॉन्ग लाइफ एंड वेरी हेल्थी लाइफ फॉर यू एंड विशेस फ्रॉम Pralay and me. Bye, enjoy your day.
Just wanted to wish you a very, very happy 80th birthday, Sagar. I really wish you were here to celebrate, but I'm sure you will be celebrating over in India. Can't wait to see you on your return, and then we can celebrate in style. Lots of love, me, Callum and Elliot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pradi. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sagar ji. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Sagar Pradi, yeah, Sagar Pradi, you are our dish party member, and we're missing you
very much.
But when he comes back, girls, we have to remind him for a birthday party.
Definitely.
He'll be too glad to do that. Yeah, and of course Anoop is in the back. He's our photographer. So Anoop
Somebody will take over now and.
Okay.
Shall I take over? Okay.
Oh, the Nanki, they did very well. She got herself.
She must have done the first thing. I thought that.
Yeah, actually. What do you want to say? Anybody want to say anything? Anoop, they.
Havan group.
I think yeah, you could say from Havan group.
Yeah, say from Havan group.
On behalf of the Havan group as well, we're wishing you a very happy birthday and hope you have a good time over in India, and we are waiting for you to come back
and give us another
and meet us again.
I'm missing you a lot.
Yeah, best of luck. Lots of love. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Keep safe. Look after yourself.
Yeah.
Look after yourself. Been waiting to see you back.
That's funny.
You're missed. Come
Cut.
back soon.
Special birthday wishes, dear Chachaji, on your milestone birthday. As Sadhguru says, age is of body and agelessness is a matter of spirit. You, Chachaji, are showing us the way to aspire for this agelessness of spirit. And it helps that you don't look anywhere close to your age. Thank you, Chachaji, for all your love, warmth, and affections. I cherish my memories with you from Arkipuram days when your trips back home were something we looked forward to, and that of our interactions and conversations about life in the more current times. My prayers to Raj Sharma ji to give you strength, good health, and agelessness of spirit. Warmest regards and best wishes from all of us. Pranam.
Dear Chachaji, a very happy 80th birthday. I still have fond memories of being carried around and pampered by you in Rajouri Garden when I was just a few years old. Your love and affection towards me has never diminished over the years when you were thousands of miles away. By leading a simple yogic and a spiritual life, you have always radiated health and grace. I wish and pray that you always enjoy a wonderful health and achieve some meaningful breakthroughs in your journey of spirituality. Truly yours, Jogesh.
प्रणाम, पहचानो मुझे, मैं कौन बोल रही हूँ, पहचाना? यहाँ अभी मैं थोड़ा वॉक पे आई हूँ, ये सामने पानी है और यहाँ से बैठ के मैं आपको मैसेज दे रही हूँ। चलो मैं आपकी सस्पेंस हटा देती हूँ। प्रणाम चाचा जी, आपको आपके जन्मदिन की बहुत 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 मुबारक। आपको आई विश कि आप जैसे अब हैं स्वस्थ और खुश हमेशा रहें ऐसे। हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ। और ये मैं बता दूं कि आपकी हम सब की ज़िंदगी में एक स्पेशल जगह है। आप सबके साथ बहुत क्लोज़ हो। स्पेशली आपके बड़े भराजी के बच्चे तो सारे मुझे पता है, जैसे बिल्लू है, बादल है, मैं हूँ, शान, नीतू, सारे आपसे जब जो दिल में चाहे बात कर सकते हैं, आपके साथ मजाक कर सकते हैं और बहुत फ्री फील करते हैं। तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। और दूसरी अच्छी बात ये है कि शायद ये पहली बार आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा होगा कि सारे मेंबर्स फैमिली के आपको विश करेंगे, उनकी शक्लें आप देख सकोगे और उनके विचार जान सकोगे कि वो आपके लिए क्या महसूस करते हैं। तो मैं आज बता रही हूँ ना, आप हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल हो और आपकी हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक बहुत स्पेशल जगह है और आपने हमें बहुत स्पेशल भी महसूस कराया। स्पेशली मुझे लगता है बहुत ही स्पेशल महसूस कराया आपने भी और कृष्णा बुआ जी ने भी। उनको मैं कभी भी नहीं भूल सकती, मेरे लिए हमेशा बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ करी। मैं आपको वो एक चीज़ याद दिलाती हूँ, आपको भी याद होगी कि जब आप पहली बार लंदन जा रहे थे तो आपने अपनी जो सबसे प्यारी चीज़ थी सितार, मेरे बिना मांगे आपने कहा ये तो मधु की है। और मैंने वो सितार सीखनी शुरू भी की। मैंने कई राग उस पर सीखे, बहुत अच्छे बजाने भी लग गई। पर जब पापा जी की ट्रांसफ़र कलकत्ता हुई तो ललित आंटी ने मुझे कहा कि तू जा रही है तो मुझे दे दे। तो मैंने कहा चलो ये अनदर सेफ हैंड्स है, मैंने उनको पास ऑन कर दी। बट आई कैन नॉट फॉरगेट दैट एंड आई विश यू वंस अगेन अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, विशिंग यू लॉन्ग एंड हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ। प्रणाम चाचा जी।
हस्तियाँ बस्तियाँ खुशियाँ परिवार। एज से 80, 80 से 1000। सौगा मौसा, यू आर द मोस्ट बिलवेड। दैट्स ऑसम यार। हैप्पी बर्थडे मौसा जी। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੌਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਾਦੂ हैं।
Hello Saga, this is Luke here. So wishing you so many happy returns on this, your 80th birthday. It's been nearly 20 years now that you've been in my life, and it's been an absolute blessing to have shared these last nearly 20 years with you. You've been a father, a father-in-law, a mentor and a friend to me over all this time, and I've always been impressed with the way that you've managed to just be a calm, sort of sympathetic yet planning and sort of organised presence in my life and in my whole family's life, bringing much joy and support to us all the time. Many times I can remember when a situation has been a little difficult or maybe some conflict, and you've always just turned and gone, okay, no problem, we'll work it out. And I just admire that so much, and the way that you stay balanced in the face of all the challenges of life, and I hope that I can absorb some of that and embody a little bit of it in my life. So many happy returns again. We look forward to seeing you back in Bristol soon, and may the time until we next see you be filled with joy for you. Bye-bye.
Happy 80th birthday, Dad. It's been really lovely putting together this video for you and hearing about the impact that you have on so many people's lives. And I feel particularly privileged to be your daughter because I'm your daughter. I've had the impact's been closer, and when I think about you, I feel so blessed that you are my father, so inspired by you and how you've lived your life and what you represent, and also so inspired by your determination on this path now with Sadhguru and your practice. It's really beautiful, this whole experience, being your daughter, and the whole experience of celebrating your 80th birthday. I hope you have a really wonderful decade and can't wait to see you soon. Lots of love.
Bolo. Vaisa Pranam, and many happy returns of the day. Live long, live happy and healthy, and stay blessed always. Your ocean of love, go on sprinkling drops of love to all.
Khatam.
Many happy returns of the day, Mama Ji. It's your 80th birthday and see how time flies. मुझे आज भी याद है, बहुत साल पहले जब आप शुरू में इंग्लैंड गए थे तो वहाँ से आपने हमें अपने बहुत सुंदर फोटोग्राफ्स भेजी थी, शायद किसी प्रोफेशनल से खिंचवाई होंगी, और उसमें बिल्कुल आप हीरो लगते थे, जैसे उस ज़माने के हीरोज़ होते थे जिनको हम आइडलाइज़ करते थे, बिल्कुल वैसे हैंडसम डेबोनायर। और एक पिक में तो आप स्पोक भी कर रहे थे। आजकल तो ये पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट माना जाता है, बट दोज वर डिफरेंट टाइम्स। तो आज भी मुझे वो आपकी पिक्स और आपकी हैंडसमनेस याद है। और उसके बाद ओवर द ईयर्स हमारा कंपैरेटिवली कम मिलना हुआ, क्योंकि आप बहुत पहले चले गए थे यूके जब हम बच्चे ही थे। लेकिन जब भी आपको मिले बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस हुई। आप बड़े कूल हो, काम हो, कंपोज हो, और बहुत ही आपने एक डिसिप्लिन वंडरफुल लाइफ लीड की है। तो आपकी कामनेस और आपकी कूलनेस वो तो वर्थ एम्यूलेटिंग है और हमें बहुत अच्छी लगती है। और आपको देख के लगता ही नहीं कि आपने अपने लाइफ के 80 ईयर्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। आप अभी भी इतने यूथफुल हैं और वैसे कूल, कंपोस्ट, काम एंड ए वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग। सो गॉड ब्लेस यू। जो आगे भी ज़िंदगी आपकी बहुत खूबसूरत हो और इसी तरह से आप हमें हमारे साथ रहें और हमें अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स देते रहें और एक पॉजिटिव फीलिंग हम सबको देते रहें हमेशा की तरह। गॉड ब्लेस यू। कुछ मैंने लाइंस आपके लिए कंपोज की थी, तो मैं आपको बोल के सुनाना चाहूँगा। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा इस ओकेजन पे। तो वो लाइंस हैं, हाउ टाइम फ्लाइज डिस्पाइट टू स्टेम इट्स टाइड वट एवर वन ट्राइज. So our dear Mamaji has today turned 80. Doesn't it sound rather weighty? Well, a rich life has he led. So many passions of his he has fed. The work in hand he would wed. The list of his achievements is long. His life has been a long melodious song. Seldom has he done anything wrong. Of our family he is the leading light. He has always trodden the path that is right. He is so cool and calm. He holds the gist of life in his palm. He has led a disciplined life. He had a wonderful person for his wife. He is deeply into meditation, so his life is sans any agitation. He is so youthful. For many more years, he is going to live a life that is fruitful. We all wish him the best. May his life be full of vigor and zest. May sunshine always light up his life. Such a precious uncle you cannot get for any price. So these lines are dedicated with lots of love and respect to our dearest Sagar Mamaji on his 80th birthday. Mamaji, I consider it very fortunate that at the moment on your 80th birthday you happen to be in Coimbatore and you are sitting at a very sacred place. So have a wonderful time with Kavita tomorrow. Celebrate your birthday very nicely and very well. We are all very happy for you. God bless you. Live a long, happy, healthy and wonderful life. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Hope you like the cake. Wishing you a long and splendid life ahead. Happy birthday, Dad, on your special 80th milestone birthday. Wishing you many, many, many more years ahead with us and your life, and wishing that your life, that you know the fullness, experience the fullness of your life and the bliss of being alive. So glad you found this path that you're on now. Keep going strong. You'll get where you want to go. There's still a lot of life to live.
Okay. नमस्ते पिताश्री, जन्मदिन का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। पता है तुसी मैंने फोन कर मैं फोन नहीं चुकना, लेकिन आज से मैं तुम्हारा फोन कॉल चुक लूँगा, पक्की गल है। और मैं यह भी कहना चाहना कि खुश रहो इत्थे आश्रम विच, तुहानू चिंता करने की लोड़ नहीं है। हम सब खुश है यहाँ पे, हम सब तंदुरुस्त हैं और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आज से आप मेरी चिंता नहीं करते। और मैं भी यह भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज अब समय आ गया जिंदगी में, जीवन में आध्यात्मिक बनने के लिए, अगले जन्म के बारे में सोचने के लिए। और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप हर इस काम में आप बिल्कुल सफल होंगे। बस बिल्कुल सफल हो, खुश रहो, सदा सुखी रहो, आबाद रहो, जीते रहो और पीते रहो। नमस्ते।
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है Chacha-ji.
You're so special and we feel so blessed to have you in our lives.
We love
Happy
you.
birthday.
Really love you.
Really
Happy
love you.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
East or west, Sagar Chacha-ji is the best.
Agreed.
A man who can turn the drab into delightful, bland into beautiful, mundane becomes magical, and ordinary becomes extraordinary with him around. What a man! What a man! What a man!
We love you, Chacha-ji.